classic trip vlog, y'all. So if you didn't watch my video from 2 years ago, that's when I think that's my first video on YouTube. So tonight it is Thursday, 10-12 p.m. Just came from practice like 3 hours ago. And y'all, I got a new ring light and it's so nice. Ooh, crusty dusty. So that's it for tonight. So excited, so excited. I've been in my bed for like an hour, but it's 6 something. And it's classic time. Hey. I didn't. I'm so late. I am so late. I would have been on my ride. Because if I drove, I would have been here on time. But I don't want to keep my car and just get up behind school over the weekend. Because somebody going to scratch my stuff. I already know that.
Let me tell you about my vlog right now. Hey, we out to classic. I've been waiting.
You so damn big! I can't even eat my food in peace.
Anyways, back to my classic trip.
Ow! You got the rest.
Everybody say hello to my vlog.
Everybody say hello to my vlog.
Dang!
Hey! You better be here.
Right.
You know what you said.
Look like naked.
Meet Kaylin. Meet Iman.
Alright, let's go.
Really? Meet Naya. Meet Aisha. Meet Alex, Moby, Kalia, and the rest of the. What time is it? 1:04. Whew. About to go to the bus. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm tired. Look, where's Northwestern from? You look great. That booty's from the hood. You so big. She just a big hater with a capital H. Hater. Right here. Hater. Not that ugly.
Yes, I look good. Me on this trip. Don't embarrass me in these streets, okay? Yes. All right. Take a shower.
So we made it to the hotel. We about to get ready now.
Oh my God.
The Battle of the Bands is at 7. I don't remember. It was 2 years ago, girl. I don't know. Our hotel room is so nice.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Here she go.
Don't know how to act. Go back. Come. Let's watch it.
Ow, my ankle! Look.
This TV pulled out. I'm gonna watch Netflix.
Put your bags in here.
I can put it wherever I want.
Is that what you say? Okay. I'm on live. So I got Shinigo holding the flashlight. How get it? But right now we're on our way to classics and we're practicing. No one's paying me any mind. Nobody likes me.
Sophistication, poise, style, and class. These are just to show out. We came to show out. Slowing it down a little bit on chill. We have a message to the other bands out there. You can underestimate the band of Pride if you want. just know that you know that the Piper High School Band of Pride is known as the Bully Band of Broward County. Service, God bless you, and it's that time. The blue section class. Hey, hold on. It's time. Hold on. Oh, she about to turn it out. She about to turn it out. Hold on. Come on to represent your school. Where you from? Where you from? Take it slow, y'all. Take it slow. Right. Left. Right. Miami Northwestern High School. Chad Norton, director. Ladies and gentlemen, please, if you will, join me. Stand up and give all these high school bands a round of applause. Go. Speed it up. Go. Now slow it.
Wow. Let's do that again.
So we argue that, man.
We out, Lex.
The golden girl. The golden girl. Y'all look good. Y'all look so good. Y'all look good.
FAMU could never.
Damn, you could freaking never.
Never.
Keep shit and go away.
Keep her away. Say sight. Luke, get up.
How do you pause? Finish him!
No. Roll over.
That's that tournament with a deliverable suffers.
Hey guys, we're at Universal. I thought that was Universal. We're at Universal.
So that sums up my classic trip. I didn't get to record as much because I was at Universal. I didn't want to use my phone a lot. And also, as soon as we got back to the school, I was way too sleepy to do an outro. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed these videos and pictures that we took from the trip.
Y'all ugly. I look fine in the sun. Boy, why? Hey, no. So catfish.